show you guys how to make delicious 2-ingredient ice cream without an ice cream maker. First thing you're going to do is add 1 pint of heavy whipping cream into a bowl. Then you're going to whip it up till it forms soft peaks. Then you're going to fold in 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. This is totally optional, but I'm going to add in a couple of drops of vanilla and a little food coloring to make it more fun. Then just put your ice cream in a container and let it sit in the freezer for about 6 hours or overnight. And there's your delicious ice cream.
My Asian mum-in-law just taught me a trick to make ice cream in 30 seconds. I failed 4 times because you have to be really fast, otherwise it won't work. Now stir, and watch the magic happens. Try it yourself.
All you need is condensed, dalawang all-purpose cream, and Milo. Ilagay sa lalagyan ng all-purpose cream. And then mix until double size. And then i-add yung condensed. After that, i-mix ulit. And then, ilagay na natin yung Milo. Siguraduhin na nakalubog yung Milo bago nyo siya i-mix. Ayan. So, i-mix na, at pag nag-combine na yung all-purpose and yung Milo, humanap ng container para ilagay ang ating ice cream. Yan. So, refrigerate and then maghintay hanggang kinabukasan. And now, tada! These are Milo ice cream.